What if I told you that the next big AI revolution is happening right now in your browser? Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI admirers. Buckle up because OpenAI just dropped a bombshell that's about to transform how we work with artificial intelligence. Imagine ChatGPT, but with superpowers. That's right, we're talking about Canvas, the game-changing feature that's turning ChatGPT from a chatbot into your personal AI powerhouse. But here's the million-dollar question: is Canvas really worth the hype? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into this AI revolution. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's break it down. What is Canvas? Canvas is like giving ChatGPT its own workspace. It's a split-screen marvel where you chat on one side and watch your project come to life on the other. The inline assist magic. Imagine having an AI coder literally at your fingertips. Select, edit, refine all in real time. It's like pair programming, but your partner never needs a coffee break. From code reviews to language porting. Canvas isn't just for coding. It's your Swiss Army knife for all things creative and technical. The GPT-4 upgrade. OpenAI didn't just release a feature, they supercharged GPT-4 specifically for Canvas. The results, mind-blowing. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it really a game changer? Well, let me put it this way. It's like going from a flip phone to a smartphone. Sure, they both make calls, but one of them can also launch rockets, figuratively speaking, of course. What feature of Canvas excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as pumped about this AI revolution as I am, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. The future of AI is here, and it's more accessible than ever. In our next video, we'll be putting Canvas through its paces with real-world tests. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep innovating, stay curious, and remember the future is what we make it. See you in the next one.